Like, what are you
I don't know. I honestly have no idea. Let's figure it out. We're smart. We're two smart dudes. We can figure this out.
How did you even get on this damn?
Here you go.
Okay.
You're so close to being able to just jump on it. Maybe it has to do with the door. Maybe you use the door. But you can't jump to the door because this bar's in the way. Maybe you vault over onto the door. Here it is.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, I fell.
Far, huh?
Here, will you stand next to the door? So if when I vault over, maybe I'll land on you. Stand like
Dude.
Sorry, stand like right here. Like sorry if you get shot. Like in the door. Yeah.
Wait, in the door?
Yeah, like you see where I'm standing right here?
Vault over. What if you
The
vault
problem
on
is
top of me, right?
I could try it.
Keep
Yeah,
sliding.
I could try it. The problem is I'm going left because I can't. Oh! Ah! So close, dude. So close. Oh no. Okay. Oh, this looks good.
Oh my god, do it. Do it, do it, do it.
Yes!
Oh, we're legends! Teamwork!
Давай, давай.
6, 4, 3, 2. О, блядь!
На СХ.
Чувак, ты долго не открывал дверь.
They're in buildings I'm pretty sure they're in buildings next to each other. They are, dude. Hey, I know you're up there, dude. Jesus.
Anyone peeking, it's just a car.
Alright, I'm doing it, dude. Moody, cover us properly, okay?
Yeah.
That was not very successful, but it was successful.
Hey, hello?
Oh.
Hey, I can't hear anything.
Hey.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my god, look at the
Hey.
shop. It's
Oh my god, do you have any holiday sales?
Hey,
Any
first
holiday sales going
Look at
on?
my delivery here, right through.
Oh wow.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Amazon is getting real accurate with those drones.
I mean, when you have a big shop like this, of course you have planes to deliver your wares. You know.
Man, yo,
That's
Choco,
true.
you go for. I'll throw in one more thing, since you're so nice to me.
Oh,
Nice
Oh my
premium,
God.
Oh my god.
premium pan right there.
You don't need to. Oh.
No,
No,
absolutely. I insist. I absolutely insist.
This looks great. Thank you.
あ、出た出た出た出た。前た前た前た。
ギリやったあ、
あ、
ギリ。
いやギリじゃないギリじゃないギリじゃない。
ギリロ、ギリロ。
グレータその岩と岩の間。
ごめん、後ろ。左上。その。
Yeah, in honor of this, I'm gonna wear his
Introducing
mask
now,
and.
standing 6 foot tall, weighing
Who's saying this?
265
Who's saying
pounds of
that?
straight muscle mass. The man, the myth, the legend, the frozen taco sensation, none other than Chocotaco. And now his opponent, the Grim Reaper himself, the bringer of death and the bringer of loot, Znafer, Jeffrey, the shopkeeper. All right, let's get it started, baby.
In honor of you,
Let's
this,
get it
I'm gonna
on.
wear your jacket and your skull mask. Yeah.
It's my money's on you, Znafer.
Whoa,
I'm
whoa!
I'm betting I've already bet 10,000 bits.
Oh, that's a lot of bits.
Hashtag charity.
Bob and weave, baby. Choco going in with a swing.
Oh, I got the high gun.
Both of them extremely elusive. Oh my, the headshot!
British. You hear it, right, Dana?
Yeah. I see him. He's shooting on you.
I don't see him. Is he on top of the hill?
I'm ready. This guy's a shotgun? Come on. Oh, look over here.
I'm loading it up right now. Getting in the lobby.
One, two, moving left. Not behind. There's some good peaks. I have an idea. That's kind of a meme fight at this point. Nade? Where is it? Oh!
Man.
Oh, you fucking Chocotaco motherfucker.
Whoa.
You're fucking trash.
Bro.
Your ass streamer boy.
That is so unfriendly. Can we get some friendship going?
Dude.
Whoa! You're toxic, dude. Maybe put some more hours into the game. Stop talking shit. Because you're garbage. Hello? Did stop. Oh God. What?
Scooby Dooby resubscribed for 10 months.
I do.
Some people sub to Shroud. I choose to sub to a Heck Boy.
Heck. I do heck. I do heck. I do.
Yeah, I got it.
I have a ton. I have like 230, but
What am I doing? Look what I just did. I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate. Oh God. Okay. I can't play.
I just need a suppressor.
여기 내 바로 옆에 점례 여기 얘 나 얘 나 못 봤다. 여기 점례 여기 내 옆에. 너 누우면 그냥 잡을 거야.
10 9
Сгорел. Блядь.
Missed them all. Both of them right at the green tractor.
Knock one.
Oh.
Please. Let's go, baby, the bowling!
My dude! Let's go!
Oh yeah, I see him.
Which way is he going?
Oh, he did a vehicle.
Oh
yeah!
With the M16, let's go!
We need that kill. They need that kill.
To make the move. Gustav gets finished off. THC big tag manages to get Kamka down. Looks towards Wookie instantly. Wookie steps up. Can't get him down. Oh no! It was no. He got it. He got it. Kamka managed to take Gustav down though. So TSM down in third. Now Tornado obviously safe, obviously done. It's all about whether SDF can pick up the chicken dinner here. Melman sees the head, looks around the side. TSG gets XT down.
Can you imagine?
This would be 10 kills. That's all they will come out with. They're going to push around the side. Compot coming round. Melman down. Compot the last man. They're going to push around the side.
They could do it. They could do it.
They can flush around. It's going to be X-Team. He's got the revive back on Kamka around the back there. The TSC with the flank. Is it going to be enough? That's the question. One man to take down SDF. They get the win.